This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 12 noon update from Bangkok, guys. Wow. Hopefully you guys are having a great afternoon in Asia. My Asian tigers, my Asian dragons. Hopefully you can take this market green. And to all my people in North America who have probably, if you haven't slept yet, get some coffee, get ready to watch this video from start to finish. Woo! All my friends in Australia, you guys are starting your day. I think it's probably mid-afternoon. So guys, buckle up, get your coffee, get ready to watch an exciting video. We're gonna do it. And today we're gonna be talking about the imminent short squeeze on Dogecoin, the imminent short squeeze on Bitcoin. What does that mean for you? What does that mean for the markets? Are we going up? Are we going down? You guys have to watch this video from start to finish. Don't panic. Things could be good, things could be bad, but you got to find out by watching the video from start to finish, guys. Also, we're going to talk about some on-chain metrics for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some on-chain data for Dogecoin. We're going to talk about how we've got some congressmen in the U.S. government fighting back, supporting crypto, and they realize that crypto is here to stay. Crypto is the revolution. It's your financial freedom. It's my financial freedom. Woo! Let's get it. And remember, none of this stuff in this video is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just offering you my opinion, and this is for educational purposes only. So remember, do your own risk management. Do it now. Do it now. And remember, turn on your own two-factor authentication. And remember, you need to secure your crypto where it lives, because it's your crypto, it's not my crypto. And there's a lot of scammers out there, and there's a lot of hackers out there who are trying to steal your cryptocurrency. So guys, turn on two-factor authentication. Never click any links that you don't recognize, guys. Woo! And remember, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. They pretend to be me, use my logo, and they ask you to contact them and through WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm never going to ask you to do that. Never respond to these nasty scammers, guys. And just one thing, don't forget, this channel is about two things. It's about crypto information, having fun, and also spreading the good vibe. Hashtag Doge, spreading love. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to become a member. Let's get into content right now. Let's do it. All right. So let's if we take a look at the Bitcoin price right now, this is our midday update from Asia right now. So Bitcoin right now is at $40,181, and you know, it's a little bit down right now. It's down about 0.5% so far today. This is a Binance chart. This is a one-day Binance chart, and you can see here that we're still above our 50, 20, and 50-day moving average. So that's really good news. We're still bullish, guys. So you can see right now that this is we have a resistance level at 40,750. You can see that you know, we went up, rejected. Went up yesterday, got rejected, and right now we're forming a candle just underneath that. So hopefully this candle will turn green. I think it's going to turn green after the Asians, me included, finish our lunch. We finish chowing down on some food, and I think we'll probably see this actually going to the upside probably, I would say, around about 2-3 p.m. Bangkok time. We should see this turn around, because typically during the lunchtime in Asia, because right now the Vietnam time is Bangkok time, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, a lot of the Asian countries now are having the lunch, so you see that the volumes drop and you tend to see a little bit more red during the lunchtime. But this will absolutely start pumpity pump probably around about 3 p.m. So guys, don't panic right now. So let's look at some Bitcoin on-chain data right now. Let me just refresh, because you want everything minty fresh. So yeah, guys, it looks like Bitcoin is going to be breaking out past our $30,750 range really soon. So I'm pretty bullish on that. You should be bullish. I'm so psyched. I'm so pumped. So let's see if this data has refreshed. So let's move on to my Dogecoin right now. So right now, Dogecoin is still doing pretty good right now. Dogecoin is at 20.06 cents. So that's really good news, and we're seeing overall a green day for Doge. And actually, it's quite interesting that actually Doge is outperforming Bitcoin today in terms of where it's happening. And Dogecoin is right now up 1.59%. So that's really cool beans news. So I'm really excited. So let's go back. It looks like we're not going to get that data today. So let's look at the on-chain data for Dogecoin right now. So the on-chain data for Dogecoin right now is still looking pretty good. As I talked about earlier, right now we've still got 66% of people who hold Dogecoin are in profit, 31% are out of profit, and we see that the majority of the holders are holding 1 to 12 months. So a lot of new holders out there. So that's really good news. It means that more people are buying in, more people are getting psyched to the Doge. And we're looking at the social sentiment right now. The Telegram member group is up 1.5%. So that's really good. And right now we're we're seeing that Dogecoin is right now pretty much neutral in terms of on-chain matrix, so that's pretty good. We could easily switch to a bullish scenario very quickly, very fast. So don't panic, guys. We're gonna get there together. So it's really cool. It's really cool. I'm so pumped. I'm so psyched. You guys should be psyched and pumped too. So it's looking pretty good. So we've had some recent news that's come out for Bitcoin right now, and you know, I really believe that we're going to see a huge Bitcoin short squeeze soon, and Bitcoin open interest mimics Q4 2020 as new report continuously optimistic rally. So what this is really saying is that we're seeing that the amount of shorts on the amount of shorts that are forming right now are pretty similar to the Q4 2020 area where we had this huge bullish rally, and you can see that BTC USD hovered near 40,000 on Thursday as fresh bullish report from Stack Funds called for cautious optimism and further price rises. So I think we're definitely going to see more and more Bitcoin price going up. Bitcoin open interest is currently exhibiting the style of increase that characterized the Q4 last year. That was a springboard for the all-time high of 64,500. And if we look at the open interest future, you can see, in fact, that if we look at where we were in Q4 last year, we can see that there's a huge draw up in terms of futures expirations that are going to come, and when these future expirations expire and all these shorts get liquidated, we're going to see that they're going to have to buy back into the market, and when they buy back into the market, they're going to have to take leverage long positions. That's going to reduce the selling pressure, and that's definitely going to pump Dogecoin. Definitely, I could see that we could be going up to $45,000 in the next couple of days. So I'm really pumped. I'm really psyched. You should be pumped and psyched too, guys. It's so exciting time to be alive. Let's take a look at Doge right now. We're also seeing something very similar for Doge right now. We're seeing that the futures interest and the short squeeze is about to happen, and we're going to see that there's probably going to be, I would say, by tomorrow we could see anywhere from between $500 to $600 million worth of shorts liquidated, and that only means one thing, that they're going to have to jump back into the market, and the only way they're going to be able to do that is to recover their losses, is to take long positions. So we could expect a huge pump and rally in Bitcoin tomorrow, and we could expect a huge rise in Dogecoin tomorrow. So I'm really psyched. I'm really pumped. You guys should absolutely be pumped and psyched too. So I think it's just really cool news. So you can see that this Friday, meanwhile, sees the end of the month of. Remember, we had the CME gap, the expiry event for Bitcoin options, something that's at least in theory allows for to realize potential release of the selling pressure. So, like I said, we're going to definitely be releasing all the selling pressure because the shorts are going to get liquidated, and we could see an absolutely huge rise to the upside. So I think this is going to happen, and it's a completely bullish tone for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin. We're definitely going to the moon, guys. And if you look at Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart right now, we can still see that we have this green triangle, which is a bullish buy indicator. So we're still looking green everywhere that we go. So this is really good news, guys. So I'm so excited. You should be excited. So guys, buckle up. Tomorrow, we're absolutely going to see a short squeeze sometime tomorrow morning around this time in Asia, late night in America. And I think we're going to see that all the altcoins, Dogecoin is absolutely going to bounce up, guys. So definitely prepare yourself. I'm loading up on some Doge and Bitcoin today. Once this video is over, I'm going to be buying. So guys, let's take a look at some of the really good news. So we've got a congressman right now, Ted Budd. He's actually fighting back against Elizabeth Warren and Yellen, and he's saying that no, in fact, blockchain, cryptocurrency is the future, and we need to embrace it. We shouldn't be fighting back because, if we embrace it, then we're going to have a lot of blockchain innovation in America. And if we don't embrace it, then we're going to see that blockchain innovation is going to happen offshore, and this actually provides a higher degree of risk and to national security and sovereignty than if they allow it to be homegrown. So Representative Ted Budd, North Carolina, everyone give a big shout out to Ted Budd. He's a huge cryptocurrency supporter and maximalist. Yeah, Ted in the House. So Representative Ted Budd of North Carolina, a member of the House Financial Services Committee. And the other thing is, he's actually on the House Financial Services Committee, where Elizabeth Warren, she has nothing to do with finances. She's not on any committees that are related to finance whatsoever. She's just yelling, screaming, because that's what she's being paid to do that by the bank. So shame on you, the angry granny in the House, brah, the angry granny. So, Ted Bunn of North Carolina, member of the House Financial Services Committee and Congressional Blockchain Caucus, has urged lawmakers to embrace decentralization and innovation. Way to go, brother. And and he's even saying that some people in the House, they absolutely do not even understand that. And he says you even have some in the House that sit not too far from me on the House Financial Service Committee that will call blockchain basically a financial 9/11. It means they have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. But characterized his peers' concerns as short-sighted, warning that rivals of the United States could benefit if local lawmakers take hostile and exclusionary stance regarding digital assets. So he's saying that it's a new technology that's going to evolve, and I'd rather evolve here in the U.S. than in Singapore or Estonia or other nations that could be hostile to the U.S. Exactly. You want to create an environment that fosters innovation, that fosters new ideas, fosters financial freedom. And you want to have it done in America, because if it's done in America, then you can control it and regulate it. But if it's done in other countries that could be bad actors, then this could actually turn and bounce back against America, and it could be really bad. So, guys, I think that Ted Bunn, he's right on the money, and he's trying to work for us. He's trying to convince the other people in government that blockchain and cryptocurrency should be embraced, guys. So, way to go, Ted. We love you, brother. We love you. We're behind you. The OG is behind you, brother. So, big thumbs up, shout out to to Ted Bunn, the congressional OG in the House. All right, guys. So also, other good news, MicroStrategy is decided that even though they've taken some losses in Q2, they're still going to be buying more Bitcoin. So as of June 30th, 2020, MicroStrategy held approximately 105,000 Bitcoin. Wow, he's a bull. Carrying a value of about $2 billion. And right now they're taking the impairment loss of about $689 million since the acquisition, but he's still bullish, and they're going to be picking up some more Bitcoin. So, and he says, well, we continue to be pleased by the results of the implement of our digital asset strategy. Our latest capital raise allows us to expand our digital holdings, which is now exceeds 105,000 Bitcoin. So going forward, we intend to continue to deploy additional capital in our digital strategy. So they're going to be buying some more up right now, guys. So the Q2 report says that they are holding $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. They're going to be buying more. So this is really bullish that they're going to jumping into the market, guys. Jumping into the market. So way to go, brother. We love you, man. Keep keeping the faith on MicroStrategy. It's a really good day to be alive, guys. So let's jump into the markets and let's see you guys get out of it. So let's just do a lickety split. Let's refresh right now. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap is down a little bit. We're seeing that Bitcoin has just dropped to $39,926, but it's still up 22%, guys. Ethereum right now is still up 5.75%, so that's really good. Actually just ticked down 5.52%, and we're up to $2,424, and we're still up 16.84%, guys. So Binance right now is at $321, and we're still up almost 8% and up 2.33% for the day. Cardano in the house is up $1. It's at $1.30, and right now it's up 2.31%, guys. So that's really good, and we're up 8.61% for the week. And right now Dogecoin is at 26.7, so we're getting pretty close to 21, and we're still seeing some green at 0.63, and we're at almost 7% right now, guys. So this is a great time to be alive, guys. Doge is still up, guys, and it's really a good time to be alive. Bitcoin once again is Bitcoin right now is it's going down a little bit, so don't worry, guys. By after lunchtime in Asia, we're going to definitely pump, and you guys need to just remember that once we have tomorrow, there's going to be a huge short squeeze happening. I believe it. It's definitely going to happen. It's right here. It's right in front of your eyes. And when that short squeeze happens, it's going to take the selling pressure off Bitcoin, and we should see Bitcoin rise to to as high as $45,000 in the next couple of days. It's definitely going to be happening. Expect at least a 15% rise tomorrow in Bitcoin price, and possibly in Dogecoin price. So guys, let's a couple more things before we go. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Do it now. Do it right now. Go to my profile and follow me on Twitter. We only have 1,236 people following me on Twitter. We need to help me get that up, guys. Get it up right now. Do it. And don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe right now. Follow my links. Check my links right now. You support the channel. Follow me on Patreon. Buy the channel a coffee. Check out the NFT collections. Do it now. Follow me on Twitter. And we got so much going on. And don't forget to check out my merch, guys. We got a huge amount of merch. We got t-shirts, we got mugs, we got hats, we got everything. So guys, I just want to say I love you guys to death. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe right now. Do it now, guys. Have a great day. God bless all of you. See you in the next one at 6 p.m. Woo, let's get it.